now I'm going to show you two more case studies, Lana and Angelo. Now they started off as my students with no previous experience, and now I'm very pleased to say they're my friends and my colleagues in permaculture. Now, if there's one thing that I want you to take away from this video, and what you should take away from this video, is not everybody's born a permaculturist. This is a design system you can learn. It's a set of tools in which you then understand how to interact with the world in a really positive way. This is a system of design, and you can learn it.
When I did your course, you know, everything, all the bits, all the fragmented information that I had about gardening and swales and contours and water, it all just started going. The amount of times that I went, yeah, oh yeah.
Initially, I basically went in to expand my interest, and I didn't think much more would change other than just sort of learning a lot more about gardening sustainably. But something really profound happened during the PDC. All the students seem to have experienced it. We called it the permaculture experience.